This video demonstrates how to use CherryProxy with VMLogin. First, visit the CherryProxy website, hover over your username, and click Dashboard to access your account settings. On the left-hand menu, select Residential Proxies to switch to the Residential Proxy page. Click Username, Password, and scroll down the page. Based on your business needs, filter options such as country, city, and session type. For session types, you can choose between sticky IP and rotating IP. If you select sticky IP, you need to set the IP duration, which can range from 1 to 120 minutes. Once all filters are configured, a sample command will be automatically generated below. Copy this sample command and test it in your system's command center. After testing, return to the page and scroll further down. Based on your requirements, you can select different sorting options and specify the number of commands to generate. Once ready, click Generate, and the commands will appear below. You can copy a command directly by clicking the Copy button next to it or download the commands as a document for later use. Next, open the VMLogin client and click the New Browser Profile button on the left. Name your new browser window, then click Setting Proxy Server at the bottom. Enable the proxy settings, select SOCKS 5 as the proxy type, and click Paste Proxy Info to automatically paste the command copied from CherryProxy into the input field below. Click Test Proxy to confirm the connection. And once the test is successful, click Confirm and then Save. Finally, click Save Profile in the bottom right to complete the browser window setup. After the setup is complete, double-click the profile to automatically launch the browser and proceed with your business tasks.